Hey, Stephanie and Donald. My name is Latrina. Last week, my son reached out to your business to offer you this free video showing some things you might be able to do to improve your online presence and as a result, get more leads, customers, and sales. So this is the video we've made for you. As he explained to Adriana, there's no selling in the video. We believe givers gain. So we make a few of these every week and hopefully bring value and service to other businesses and communities. Your feedback is extremely important to us, though, so let us know what you thought, if it was helpful or not, just so that we can continue to improve. So let's get started. So what I'm going to cover for you is content, backlinks, and citations, and why these are important website elements. I'll take a look at your company's online presence, and I'll make any recommendations that I see that can help boost your business online. So content is anything that's on your website, of course. It's the words, the images, the videos. You want to have enough content, however, because this is how Google crawls your website, finds out what it is you do, and put you in front of those people who are searching for your services. Ideally, you should have 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages. There are other factors that go into ranking as well, but these are heavily weighed as far as content. Citations are directory listings that you can get, including your business name, address, and phone number. You want to make sure you get these in the internet as much as possible and have them consistent. So you want to make sure the name, address, and phone numbers is consistently listed throughout the internet. And also you want to have more than your competition. And why are citations important? Citations are actually like your thumbprint all over the internet. If you are found consistently and throughout the internet, Google considers you to be a legitimate business, okay? If they don't see you very often, you only have a few here and there, then they raise their eyebrows and they wonder whether you're really a true business. Then backlinks are the placement of your website URL or website address onto other websites. So if you think about like Twitter, Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, any of these and more, backlinks are driving traffic away from those sites back to your website, hence the name backlinks. And the more backlinks you get, the more popular your website becomes. In the eyes of Google, it's a measure of trust and popularity. So a business that has lots of backlinks out there is considered more trustworthy than one that does not. To Google, they look at it as, okay, this business is so trustworthy that these other websites are willing to list their website and link back to them. So you just want to make sure that you can get as many as you can and make sure your backlinks are relevant to what it is you do. As a foundation repair company, you are not going to be listed on like an auto body detailing shop or a Pizza Hut, okay? You're going to be focused on things related to structural damage, foundation repair, home improvement, home construction, that kind of thing. So when we do a search for keywords, we usually put in what it is we're looking for, right? And then the area. So in this case, what we see in the very beginning are some ads that pop up, pretty usual, typical for Google. Some people will see the ads, some people won't if they have ad blockers installed on their computers. The prime real estate area is where you are located. So kudos to you for all of the hard work you did to make that happen. The prime real estate area is what I call it because about 30 to 40% of the traffic takes place in this area. It's the map pack, and this is where Google lists who they perceive to be the top 3 businesses ranking for the keywords searched. As you move down the page, Google continues to rank companies, and you're on the first page, so that's awesome. I always tell businesses to get on the first 3 pages if at all possible, because as you move away from those pages, your visibility diminishes. Not very many people are straying too far away down those pages, right? If you think about the last time you did a Google search, you probably were not on the 8th, 9th page, right? So yeah, so great job there. Let's take a look at your website. So I like how your website is structured. You have very nice images pointing out what it is you do. I would recommend putting a contact form somewhere at the top of the page. This just allows people an immediate opportunity to reach out to you, to give you their information. It can be very short and sweet. It can be just name, email, phone number, but at least you're grabbing an instant lead from someone, a hot lead, in fact, because they actually came to your website because they needed services, right? I like that you have your phone number very prominent. But the contact form will give you an opportunity to contact leads in case people don't call or they call and hang up or whatever the case may be. Let's see, definitely get some more text words on your page, okay? That's going to help you as well to boost your business. Again, it's all about keeping Google on your website, and the more content you have, the more time Google needs to spend on your website and become familiar with your services. The other thing I will recommend, let me find a good one here, is tagging your photos, okay? Tag your photos to describe what it is that you offer. So let me look at this image, for example. It just says seismic SRV box image. That means nothing to Google. So be thinking about how you named it. You actually you put it in a category, right? So seismic retrofitting, Bay Area, California, something like that. Concrete repair, San Francisco, California. Or wherever you're providing services, San Rafael. I'm not exactly sure how far out your reach is, but be thinking in that regard when you're saving your images. Foundation repair, San Francisco, California. That will help you to match up with how people actually do a search, right? They search for what they're looking for, and then they put in a location. So the more opportunities you have to match up with people who type those keywords in, the better your rate of appearance in search results will be. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, just let me know. But yeah, that's what I recommend. More content for you for sure. And maybe consider putting a contact form up here so that you can grab some leads. If we take a look at your data right now, on a scale of 1 to 100, you're at an 8, which isn't terrible. Definitely you want to continue to get backlinks. Your backlinks are starting to drop significantly. You had 2,000 at one time, you're down to 200. Remember, backlinks are a measure of trustworthiness and popularity to Google. If this number drops, they will trust you less, okay? And your appearance and your rate of appearing in search results will diminish, okay? So you definitely want to make sure you maintain a good number of backlinks out there. The same thing for your referring domains. Citations, you had 220. You're down to only 37 now. Recently it dropped too, okay? So definitely be looking at that. Be considering your backlinks. Let's take a look at your keywords. So the keywords related to your name of your business, those are people who are already searching for you or aware of you. Foundation repair San Jose. So that's more of a buyer intent keyword. 150 people are searching that. You're number 3. So that's awesome. That right there is spectacular. Let's see. Foundation repair Bay Area. 70 people searched that. You're number 7. So in regards to your keywords, you're actually ranking very well. So I don't have a whole lot of suggestions for your keywords, except just to keep track of them. Make sure that you're targeting specific areas like you have done for those cities. If you have other cities that you do, like for example, this is a good one, basement repair San Francisco, 100 people searched that, you're number 8. So just make sure your keywords are similar to this, because you have a higher chance of being shown to those 100 people who are looking for services, right? Because you're number 8 on the list. Okay, and the more backlinks you get, the more content, your ranking will only improve in that regard. So with that, I'm going to end this video. I hope it's been helpful and give you some insight on your position right now in the market. Please let me know that you watched it. Give me some feedback so that I can continue to improve these. And also, if there's anything I can clarify or any questions that you have, I'll be happy to do that for you. In the meantime, I wish you a lovely day and much continued success for Mark Phelps, Foundation Repair, California. Bye-bye.